Welcome back, students. So last time we have completed the chemical reactions of compounds containing nitrogen, and a very important compound we are going to discuss today, that is aniline. Aniline is an example of aromatic amine. क्लियरली आपको दिख रहा है कि यहाँ पे बेंजीन रिंग है. ओके, benzene ring in aniline. Okay, NH2 group attached to benzene ring. So this is an example of an aromatic amine. More specifically, ये example है primary aromatic amine. Okay, तो ये NH2 group है, that's a primary and aromatic amine. So let us study three methods of preparation of aniline. बहुत सारे मेथड्स दिए. One or two methods might be similar to these methods only. Okay, so focus on this particular methods of preparation which I am explaining you. So remaining two you can easily understand. So we start with the first one, that is preparation of aniline from phenol. Now what is phenol? You know, OH group attached to benzene ring is called phenol. Treat with ammonia in presence of zinc chloride, ZnCl2, and temperature is 523 Kelvin. Okay, slightly higher temperature. And then what happens here? Just have a look. OH from here and 1H from here is lost as water, which is a byproduct. Okay, and NH2 group which is remaining here gets attached to this carbon atom. So bond breaks here. Okay, and NH2 group gets attached to the benzene ring and we get aniline. Aniline. Okay. Second method, CO NH2 group attached to benzene, it is called benzamide. This is benzamide. क्योंकि आपको पता है कि CO NH2 ग्रुप का नाम क्या है? इट्स अ फंक्शन ग्रुप. इसका नाम क्या है? बेंजामाइड. अमाइड ग्रुप है. Amide group attached to benzene ring, that's why benzamide. You treat this particular compound with bromine in presence of an alkali, that is potassium hydroxide, 4KOH. Okay, तो यहाँ पे you will get aniline. Okay, CO is lost from here. NH2 group gets attached to carbon atom and you get aniline. Okay, and the remaining byproducts, potassium carbonates, K2CO3, then 2 KBr and water. So okay, so you have to write on the balanced chemical reaction every time, just keep in mind. तो यहाँ पे हमको मिल जाए second method से, again we have prepared aniline. Now the third method, this is nitrobenzene. C6H5 means what? Okay, C6H5 means ये benzene ring ही है ना. Okay, you are writing in the form of carbon and hydrogen. C6H5 NO2, okay, is nitrobenzene. Okay, and it will undergo reduction in presence of HCl and Fe. Okay, so the medium is acidic. Okay, and metal catalyst used here is Fe. Okay, they will react with each other, HCl and Fe, and they will produce 6 nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen means atomic hydrogen. Okay, so these 6 nascent hydrogen will reduce nitrobenzene to aniline. Okay, oxygen from here is removed, 2 hydrogens are added to N. So you get C6H5NH2. Okay, and the byproduct here will be 2 molecules of water. Okay, so here also we have prepared aniline. So these are the 3 main methods of preparation of aniline. Okay, examination point of view. Now second part of today's lecture is chemical properties of aniline. Chemical properties means chemical reaction, very इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड टुडे. यहाँ पे अभी फर्स्ट रिएक्शन स्टार्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट वन अल्काइलेशन. Alkylation reaction already we have studied in the first part of the chapter. Okay, जहाँ पे हम लोग ने compounds containing nitrogen. So we have taken alkyl amine, primary alkyl amine, secondary alkyl amine, tertiary alkyl amine. तो ये सब एग्जाम्पल हम लोगों ने कंसिडर किए. तो वहाँ पे भी ये रिएक्शन हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है ऑलरेडी. तो alkylation, okay, and you can also call it as exhaustive. Exhaustive means continuous alkylation process. So here you take aniline, add alkyl halide. वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने alkyl halide ऐड किया था. ओके, alkyl amine के लिए. यहाँ पे अभी हमारे पास aromatic amine है. You add CH3I. What happens here? H from here and I is lost as HI. So that we can show here minus HI. Okay, so you will get NH, CH3 gets attached to nitrogen, NH, CH3 minus HI. So you will get from primary amine you get the first product here, that is secondary amine. Okay, secondary amine will further react with methyl iodide and will again this hydrogen will be replaced. You get tertiary amine and finally you get salt, quaternary ammonium salt. Second reaction of aniline with acetyl chloride is also called acetylation reaction. This also we have studied in the earlier part of the chapter. Okay, so acetylation means COCH3 group get attached to N. H is replaced from here with HCl, forming this byproduct. Okay, so you get NaCO3. इसका नाम है एसिड एनिलाइड. क्या नाम है? बेंजीन. NaCO3 means acid anilide. Okay, and byproduct HCl. Now very important name reaction is coming up here, which is called Schotten-Bowman reaction. Schotten-Bowman reaction. Okay, we take benzoyl chloride. Okay, benzoyl chloride, and here this benzoyl group gets attached to nitrogen. This gets attached to nitrogen, and one H and Cl from here is lost in the form of HCl, and you get this main product. Okay, the name of this main product is benzanilide. Benzanilide because we have benzoyl chloride here, so this is called benzanilide. The fourth chemical reaction is diazotization reaction. Diazotization reaction already we have studied, that's why I am not discussing in detail here. Then very important, we have coupling reaction. Now we know what is diazonium salt. Diazonium salt, benzene N2Cl minus. You treat with aniline and you get this particular addition product with the elimination of HCl. Cl from here and H from this carbon atom. Okay, and you get this particular product which is called azodie. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Azodie. Dye means permanent color, which can be applied to various fabrics. And the last reaction here is oxidation reaction for aniline. Now aniline, in presence of strong oxidizing agent like potassium dichromate in presence of sulfuric acid, we get very important compound, and the name of this compound is benzoquinone. Okay, the name of this compound is benzoquinone. Okay, this is also a very important product, okay, which can be used to synthesize various antibiotics and dyes. Okay, so this very important product also we are getting from oxidation of aniline. Okay, so these were the methods of preparation. Starting with the methods of preparation, we have also covered the chemical reactions for aniline. Usage you can study from the textbook, and of course test. Chemical test you have to study. Orange red dye test given by aniline, and secondly one more test is there when aniline is treated with bleaching powder, calcium chloride salt, bleaching powder, okay, you get a purple color. So that is a chemical test, means a practical aspect. वो आपको practicals में हम perform करके बताएंगे. When you will receive the video, you will understand at that time. Okay, so this was the overall, okay, today's lecture where we have covered three methods of preparation of aniline and chemical reactions of aniline. Okay, and this uses and test, chemical test you have to study from the text or from my notes. My notes you will get this particular answers. So dear students, now one more part is remaining from this chapter, that is diazonium salt. With the completion of diazonium salt, we will, okay, complete this chapter also, and then we will continue with the next chapter. So for this particular chapter, you keep your notes ready, because now we have to submit the notes for the entire chapter for the remaining part of this compounds containing nitrogen. Message you will receive in your group. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care and have a nice day. Thanks.